Hello, welcome guys. In this tutorial we are going to look at the delete in ADO.NET. But before this one I want to just show you from our grid view. For example, let's say I double click pen, this pen is opening and RAM is opening, no problem here. If I accidentally click here, for example twice here, and you see it gives error. How we can prevent this one? Let's first do this one. We go to the grid view, double click, we say our grid view focused row handler, because focus row handler is like this. From our grid view, let me show you, sorry, it will give it. This is 0, this row, this is 1, and it goes like this. This one is -1, and this is when we double click here, it gets like a -1. So we will put a statement. We say row handler is less than 0, then we say return. And now let's try it. As you see that I double click here, nothing happens. Now we don't have this error. Now let's go for delete. Let's close all these things. Now go to the product forms, and from edit form also. Now we'll do delete. But beside this one, let's double click exit. It's empty. Let's say this. Close this, it means this form. Let's double click delete, and we'll write our code. But before it, we have to go to product dal. We have to do for delete as well. And for delete is easier. And all these things I just do, it is like very amateur. It's not professional. I just want to show you that how with ADO.NET how we can communicate between forms and database and crude process. So let's go for delete. I will create a new method. I will say public void delete. And for delete we don't need product, since for example for update we need like product ID, name, units in stock, and unit price. Inserts, we need product name, unit price. There is a mistake here. This should be, sorry, units in stock. Sorry, I just saw it. We just need a product ID. From parameter, I will pass a product ID. And now let's go write our code. First, we will check our connection. If it is closed, it will open it. And second, we'll write our command, new SQL command, and we'll say delete from products where product ID equal product ID, and we pass our connection. And we'll only add in only one parameters. It is for ID, product ID. We'll say command parameters add with value. Then we'll write our product ID, and then we'll from the parameters we'll send our product ID, and then we'll say command execute non-query, and then we'll close our connections. That's it. That's much simple. Now let's go to our product edit form, and from delete let's call our method product dal. We say product dal delete, and we can even put a condition here, but that's not necessary. Here when our parameter, as you see that it asks just for a product ID. So the product ID above we declare like as a field, we say product ID, and if it is successful, we will say we will give a message box, extra message box show. Then we write product has successfully deleted, and then second one is caption, deleting a product, and then we write our message box button. It's okay, and then I will give. We can here like even we can get here like as a dialog box. Before maybe we will like give options. If a user wants to click yes, then it will be deleted. If it is not, it will not be deleted. Let's put this one is down first here. Sorry. Say cut. Now I will not give OK. I will give yes and no. And as for icon, I will give like a warning because we are going to delete. And also we have like message box default button dot button one. This is, for example, when we receive the dialog box, the yes, it will be like as a selected, but we don't want this one. We want to be no selected, so I will choose button 2. And let's put this one inside, or like we say var result, because this show it returns dialog result, and we'll put a condition. We say if result equal dialog result yes, then we'll do a delete. Sorry. If it is no, it will not enter inside our brackets. It will not delete. Let's don't say like this. We say product about to be deleted. Let's say deleting confirmation about deleted. Do you confirm it? And if it is yes, then we'll delete our products and we'll give another message box. We'll say extra message box show. Then we'll say product has successfully deleted, and then caption deleted products. Let's write something like this, and let's put a message box icon. Okay, then icon information. Yeah, that's it. Let's go run our program, how it is functioning, and let's click products. let's first insert. We'll add a new one. We'll add our product's name, like say washing machine. Then unit in stock, let's say we have 145, and unit price, let's say $650. Let's say first, as you see that we have a washing machine. Now if you want to delete this one, let's double click it. Here we can delete it if we press delete. And after delete we can clear all these text boxes maybe. Let's do this one. After deleting, let's say take step product name, and then take step ID is just empty, and take step unit price text empty, and take step unit in stock empty. Let's do it. Washing machine. As you see that when we click it, it's focused on no button because we choose the second one. If I say yes, it will delete washing machine. And beside this one, I will forget something. I say no. We have another error here, maybe. When we say, when it is deleted, we have to put message, sorry, inside our if statement. All of them, let's put here. And also, let's see. Product will be deleted. You want to confirm. Product has successfully deleted. Okay. Let's close. You see, it's deleted. And yeah, it is like this. Let's see what we can do more about, because this is something is very amateur, like design, and the coding is not professional. Let's see what else we can do inside our project. We did delete, and also we can delete from here as well. And that's for update. When we double click, we'll open our form. Let's do also deleting here. Delete. And refresh and update. Refresh, we say like we have refresh table. Let's call our method refresh table. It will refresh our grid view. And as for delete, what we can do, first we'll get our product ID, which is selected. We can copy this one. Then we set our product ID, we got the ID, and then we can delete. We say product down, delete, we pass our product ID. Maybe we can copy from here. We don't need to write again all of these things. copy this one first. Let's copy this one too. These things we don't need it. And this we have this product ID. Since this is inside this one, let's do like this. Change its name. And if it is yes, it will delete. And let's try like this. Let's add a new one. Random something. Save. So let's delete. Product about to be deleted. Do you confirm it? I say yes. But when it deleted, we didn't call our refresh, because after delete we have to call it refresh table. Let's try with this one. This one, let's say pencil. Let's say we have a 10,000. Unit price $3. We save it, pencil. Now let's say delete. Product about to be deleted. You confirm it? Yes. Now it deleted from our database. So let's go for update. Update is pretty much same. When we double click it on our on our table, we copy all of them and then we paste it. And let's run our project. If I click keyboards and I say update, then it will open like a product edit with my values. See keyboards. Let's do for the run. Yeah. Here we didn't use try catch because this is something very small. And what else we can do it for our program. Here you can change the icon as you wish. Let's say from main phone, let's go properties and let's choose icon. Let's see, maybe this one. And this better maybe. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you